In today's lesson, we're going to be creating a weighted eye mask. You can start by measuring your fabric to make sure it's 22 centimeters on both sides. After that, you can fold your fabric in half. Then, you can start by sewing along one shorter side, then along the longer side, keeping the stitches close together so the rice doesn't fall through. You can also watch a YouTube tutorial to learn easy stitches for sewing. Once you're done sewing, you want to turn the mask inside out. If it ends up that your stitches aren't close enough together and you worry the rice will fall through, the Ziploc bag is an optional step to prevent this. You can start by filling the Ziploc bag with rice and removing any excess air. Then fold the bag of rice and place it inside of your mask. At this point, you can begin to sew close the remaining side. Now that you've completed your mask, you can begin to decorate any way you want. Instead of drawing your design on a stencil, if you'd like, you can skip the stencil altogether and draw your design directly on the felt. Once completed, you can cut out your design. Now you can glue your design onto your final mask. If you aren't able to create a weighted eye mask this way, you can also create one using a sock, funnel, and rice. You can start by taking the funnel and placing it into the sock. Now begin to slowly pour in the rice. Once completed, you can remove the sock from the funnel and tie it off. Thank you for joining me in creating a weighted eye mask. I'll catch you later, meditators.